Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One, and this is another seedling update video. You guys, I told you my zucchini and sugar baby watermelon looks awful. Although my plant has been traumatized, it is bouncing back nicely. Those who have been following along with me know that I did a peekaboo, and look at this. Pika, what is that? It is completely burned. It's trying to survive. So let's cover that back on up. You guys, this is why it's so important to plant multiple plants and seeds when you are gardening, because you never know what might happen along the way. So I'm definitely going to learn from my mistakes, and I'm not going to feel too bad because I have other watermelon plants that are looking way better. And look how green the zucchini leaves are. So if I gotta wait a little bit longer for the plant to bounce back and get up to health, so be it. I mean, at least I don't have to start over from scratch, right? Moving on to the radishes. Now, like I said in the last video, that I'm just letting the radishes flower so that way I can have seeds whenever I want radishes for next year. Coming up is the cauliflower, and you guys, I can't tell if it's progressing, is it getting worse? You tell me, because I don't even know. It looks so bad. Next we have my herb garden, which consists of kale, spinach, lettuce, and thyme. I am letting some of the spinach flower so that way I can have seeds for next year. It's all about saving money, right guys? Now let's talk about the tower, you guys. It consists of eggplant and different types of peppers. Look how it's coming along. Following the tower is the ginger. This is my first time growing ginger, and I'm so excited. And I'm also excited for my tomatoes. Look, you guys, look how well my tomatoes are doing. This is tomatoes and onions in this container. In addition to the tomato and onions, I have tomato and basil in this container. If you made it to the end of this video, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps my channel. In addition, you won't miss out on any of my videos. And for more videos like this, click here.